Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn with Abdul Ali. Today I have come up with a new informative video on Windows 10 tips and tricks. There is some features hidden or shown. We don't know about them. So before starting, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of our videos daily. So without further ado, let's start our today's list. Daily basis of our usage of the laptop or notebook computer. We use many tabs opened here. So if you want to minimize it, we use this button mostly, or it is called as the minimize. So there is a new shortcut I will teach you that will help you to minimize your tabs in just seconds. Take your mouse cursor to the title bar of the tab, shake it, and you can see all of your tabs would be minimized just in seconds. So let's move to the second one. Okay guys, the second one is the take a screenshot. In Windows 7 and the previous version we had the snipping tool. So this one is old for us, and we have in Windows 10 we have the snip and the sketch. So it is a new feature in Windows 10. So if you want to take a snap, you should press the Windows logo key Shift plus S. You can press the Control N button if you have opened your snip and sketch. So you can press the new here. You can take a screenshot of your screen and you can edit it right here. You can use the marker, you can use many tools here, and you can save it from here. You can save it by any name in any folder. Okay guys, so it was for the take a screenshot. So let's move to the next one guys, and the next one is the slide to shut down. Mostly we use this button to power off our computer, but if there would be a very easy shortcut, so I will teach you the shortcut. Click your cursor right and go to the new button, select the shortcut. So I will give this link in the description box. Select the next one and slide to shut down 3. Finish it and you will have a shortcut like this. Drag it right here, and if you double click it, you will find here to slide to shut down your PC. If you slide it to the end of this screen, your computer would be shut down. So let's move to the fourth one. Guys, we are here with the fourth one, which is the change the cursor size and the color. For this feature we should go to the settings, search cursor and pointer. First we can increase the pointer size by increasing the level of the cursor till 15 or till 1. So it is in your choice. You can change your pointer size from here. So how you can change your pointer color? So change pointer color. You want this one or just black, or this transparent one. If you cross it from a title, you will see it would transparent, and so you can choose a custom color like the blue one or any color you want. So make the cursor easier to see when typing, like if you want your cursor to be this much, or if you want it to be smaller or bigger. So it is in the thickness of your cursor. So change touch feedback. So show visual feedback around the touch points when I touch the screen. So it is in your choice if you want it or no. So let's move to the fifth one. Okay guys, we are in the fifth one, which is the dark or the light mode. In every browser or in every tabs or apps we have the dark or light mode. In computer we have the same. Go to your settings and go to your personalization tab. Go to the colors and you can choose the color. Do you want it to be dark? Let's wait somehow until it processed. You can see that it is very dark, and here I have chosen the dark mode. everything is just dark and dark. So if you want your light mode, you can select the light one. Guys, you can comment below what was your favorite, light or dark. So let's move to the sixth one. Open the pinned programs. So there are some taskbar apps, you can see they are pinned. So how to open them in an easy shortcut. So first you should know that which is in the row. The snipping tool is the number 1, number 2, number 3 and number 4. If you want to open your snipping tool, you should press Windows plus number 1. Your snipping tool would be open because it is in the number 1. If you want to open your Microsoft Store, you should press the Windows plus 4. Your Microsoft Store would be open. So it is an easy way to open your taskbar pinned programs. So Netflix, here it is in the, you should count and you should press that number and plus the Windows. So it would definitely open the pinned programs. Friends, here we are with the automate delete files. So in every laptop or desktop computer we have problem with the storage. So there's a very easy way to manage your storage. Go to the storage settings. Storage sense is a very easy way to uninstall or to delete your temporary files and content that are in recycle bin. So do you want your storage sense to be on? So configure. So you want your storage sense to be opened when your disk space is very low, in every month, every week or every day. It is in your choice. You can choose any of them to be scheduled. So the temporary file should be deleted from the storage sense. So yes, delete temporary files that my apps aren't using. So delete the files in my recycle bin if they've been there over 30 days or the 16 days or never 1 day, 14 days or 30 days. So delete my files in my download folder if they've been there for over 16 days. Do you want your space to be cleaned now? So it is a very easy way to automatically delete your files. So let's move to the next one. Okay guys, and the last one is how to open our clipboard. For opening clipboard we have two ways. The first one is we should go to our settings, and here we should type clipboard settings. When you press it, you will find like this page. When you copy or cut something in Windows, it is copied to clipboard for you to paste. So if I want to open my clipboard, I have to press Windows plus V. So let's press it. You can see that my clipboard is empty right now. So let's copy something from somewhere. So I will open my Word and I will copy this item. So if I should press again Windows plus V, I would have my clipboard opened and I can paste the same thing here. Hey guys, so finally we are in the end of our today's session, which was on Windows 10 tips and tricks. So if you got something from this lesson or something was missed out in this lesson, you can comment below. So before ending our video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of our videos daily. Share it to your family members. See you in the next session. Thanks for watching.